How to budget your new home designs. You want a new home design but you have no idea if you can afford it or not. There are lots of options to choose from, yet you want the home design that suits your taste and of course your wallet. If you want to have some ideas, you need to check out some home design and house builder sites that provide amazing listing of new home designs and styles to get the house design of your dreams. The first thing you need to do is estimate your house. Meet up with the home builders who make houses that are similar in size, quality, and features to the home you want. Home builders will tell you how much per square foot they frequently charge for home structure. They can also give you an approximate idea of what your dream home might cost. Ask them if they have already some price lists. This will both lessen the waste of time. Expect some features to cost more, like new furniture, new paints, new landscape and etc. The most costly areas in building a home are regularly the bathrooms and the kitchen. The number of windows and the size and quality of windows can also change the charge. Vaulted ceilings and high roof pitches can increase the cost of a home design. When you want to use other homes to calculate an estimate, be sure the home has the same style and features of the home you plan to build.